The reason you keep missing clay targets has almost nothing to do with your shotgun. Not your choke, not your shells, not even your aim. Sounds impossible? That's because most shooters have been taught the wrong way to think. When they miss, they blame the gun. They buy expensive upgrades, they change ammunition, they practice harder, but their scores never really improve. Why? Because they're trying to fix the equipment instead of fixing the shooter. That's exactly what legendary coach Todd Bender realized after years of coaching thousands of shooters, from beginners to world champions. He discovered that great shooting isn't about talent. It's about having the right system. A system built on 3 simple rules. Ignore one of them, and you'll keep chasing targets forever. Master all 3, and clay shooting starts feeling almost effortless. Before we begin, if you're serious about improving your shotgun skills, hit the like button. Subscribe to Shotgun Reloaded. Every week, we break down the methods used by the world's greatest shotgun shooters. Now, let's get started. Rule number 1. Your eyes shoot the target. The biggest mistake most shooters make is trying to aim a shotgun like a rifle. The moment the target appears, their eyes drop to the barrel. They check the front bead. They try to measure the lead. And that's exactly when everything falls apart. Todd Bender teaches something completely different. Your eyes should never leave the target, because your brain can't focus on the barrel and the target at the same time. The instant you look at the gun, your brain stops collecting important information: the target's speed, its angle, its direction. Everything becomes a guess. Think about catching a baseball. You don't watch your glove, you watch the ball. Your hands naturally follow. Shotgun shooting works the same way. Your eyes guide your brain guides your body, and your shotgun simply follows. The clearer you see the target, the smoother your shot becomes. Todd's first lesson is simple. Don't aim the shotgun, see the target. Rule number 2. Build the shot before you call pull. Most shooters think the shot begins when the target leaves the trap. Todd Bender says it starts long before that. It begins with your setup, your feet, your balance, your gun mount, your hold point, and your look point. If any of these are wrong, you're already behind before the target even appears. One of Todd's biggest teaching points is understanding the difference between a hold point and a look point. Your hold point is where your gun starts. Your look point is where your eyes wait for the target. They are not the same place. If your gun starts too close to the trap, you'll rush the shot. If it starts too far away, you'll chase the target. The goal is to create a smooth, controlled movement from the very first moment. Champions don't react faster than everyone else. They prepare better. By the time they call pull, their body is already in the perfect position to succeed. That's why their shots look so effortless. Rule number 3. Trust the move, not the trigger. Here's where most shooters fail. They overthink. They worry about lead. They worry about timing. They wait for the perfect moment to pull the trigger. And by the time that moment comes, the target is already gone. Todd Bender teaches that once your eyes are locked on the target and your setup is correct, you have to trust the movement. Move with the target, not behind it, not ahead of it, with it. Your swing should feel smooth, natural, continuous, not rushed, not forced. The trigger isn't the most important part of the shot. It's simply the final step in a process you've already built. The best shooters don't force great shots. They allow great shots to happen because they trust their eyes, they trust their preparation, and they trust the system. That's the real difference between average shooters and champions. Not talent, not expensive gear, just confidence built through the right habits. So, why do you keep missing clay targets? According to Todd Bender, it's usually not because you can't shoot. It's because you're breaking one of these 3 rules. You're looking at the barrel instead of the target. You're starting from the wrong position. Or you're forcing the shot instead of trusting your movement. Fix those 3 things, and your scores will start changing. Not overnight, but consistently. Remember, Champions don't become great by practicing more. They become great by practicing the right way. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to Shotgun Reloaded and share this video with another shooter who's tired of missing easy targets. And let me ask you one question. Which of these 3 rules has been holding you back the most? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.